Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the money control news headlines. So, first of all, top gainers for the yesterday in market is Adani Port, Mahindra and Mahindra, Eicher Motors, and Power Grid. And the top loser is TCS, Infosys, ONGC, Tata Motors. It is I am reading only top four from the Nifty 50. Then the commodity section in that on green, methane oil, crude oil, uh, copper lead. It close on green, and in red, gold, silver, aluminium, zinc, cotton, and natural gas. Then we comes to the currency section in that all currency are in red instead of one currency. That currency is Taiwan. So first of all, in red, US, America, USD, European, British, Japanese, Rebel, Australia, and Singapore. And then in key indies, in that Nifty 50 is close at 18,420 rupees, and whereas Nifty Bank closes at 43,430 rupees. And then we comes to the sector indies in that in green closed by Nifty IT and PSU Bank, and in green Nifty Auto, Fin Services, Pharma, FNCG, Metal, Reality, Media, Energy, Private Bank, Infra, Commodities, Consumption, PSC, Service Sector, Consumer Durable, Health, Oil, etc. And we look for the FII and DII activities in that FII sells rupees 538 crore rupees, whereas DII buys 687 crore rupees in cash market. So in today's economic calendar, we can see that there is China loan prime rate 5 year data is coming. China loan prime rate 1 year data is coming. Japan BOJ interest rate decision is coming. China FDI and year on year November data is coming. Whereas South Africa leading business cycle indicator monthly month on monthly October is coming. PPI year on year Germany is coming next. PPIM monthly in coming Germany. And China where consumer confidence December is coming, whereas Indonesia loan growth year on year is coming data, whereas European 3 data is coming. ECB Gindo's speech. Next, current account October data is coming. Current account SA October data is coming. Next, Italy current account October data is coming. Whereas British 3 year Treasury gilt auction is data is coming. Next, Mexico retail sales monthly on monthly October data is coming. Whereas Mexico retail sales year on year October data is coming. Next, Canada is 3 data is coming. Retail sales ex ato monthly on monthly October data is coming. Next, retail sales year on year October is data is coming. Next, retail sales monthly on monthly October data is coming. Whereas USA 5 data is coming. Building permits parallel November data is coming. Housing starts November data is coming. Housing starts monthly on monthly November data is coming. Next, building permits monthly on monthly parallel November coming data is coming. Next, red book year on year December 17 up to data is coming. Next, Turkish in that central government debt data is coming November. Next, Europe consumer confidence flash December data is coming. So today when start the market, then we have to take to know that trading setup for Thursday. Top 15 things to know before opening the bell. Nifty, as per the pivot charts, the key support level for the Nifty is placed 18,294. Next, where has next Bank Nifty is traded December 19 rising 194 to 43,414. Some bodied bullish candle on the daily chart but failed to close above the previous day's high. Next, call option data we have to check out. Next, put option data. Next, next, stocks with a high delivery percentage. Next, 90 stocks show long build up. Next, 9 stocks show long unwinding. Next, 27 stocks show short build up. Next, 68 stocks witness short covering. Next, bulk deal for today. Next, investors meeting on December 20, where has Ultratech, VST, Tillers, Tractors, Signity Technologies, Tata Chemicals, Isix Heavy Engineering, etc. So many as meeting is there, and there is stock in news is that NBC India, the company has received contract the construction of a new multi-stored quarter complex from Odisha Power Transmission Corporation. Next is from HDFC. These are the so much stocks news is coming for today. Dabur India, IPC Laboratories, Starling and Wilson Renewable Energy, IRCTC, and Dabur India, Vikas Life Care. Then next of it data we have to see that fund flow, FII data. Next stocks under F&O ban NSE in that ITC, IRCTC, Balram Chini Mills, Punjab National Banks, India Bulls Housing Finance, BHEL, Delta Corp and GNFC under the F&O ban for the December 20. Then we come to the top news section in that Starling and Wilson promotes to sell up to 5.27% stake via OFS, floor price set at rupees 270 per share. Next, Indigo is back with a bang. Next, dozen hurts in turbulent Hawaii Flight 11 seriously. Next, my honeymoon was the first time I travel with my own money. Snapdeal co-founder. Next, news headlines: FTX collapse. Sam Bankman-Fried appears at Bahamas court, expected to waive extradition. Next, as long as wife manager home is rupees 17. Kotak Mahindra AMC Nilesh Shah on keeping his job. Next, murdered billionaire couple's family offers $35 million reward to help crack case. Next, Amber Heard to settle defamation case with ex-husband Johnny Depp. Next, Sargam Koshal, Navy officer's wife, brings Mrs. India crown to India after 21 years. Next, time to say goodbye. Dying scientist last tweet goes viral amid outpouring of love. Next, FTX founder expected to draw fight against extradition to US. Next, watch Leon Messi celebrates historic World Cup victory with son's wife. Next, Wipro Consumer Care acquires Kerala-based packaged food brand Nirapara. Then next on page number 18 in market section in there, rupee rises 6 paisa to close at 82.69 against the US dollar. Next, MC interview in that IT sector may retest September low next year, says Shrikant Chauhan of Kotak. Next, gold prices today. Yellow metal to remain volatile may head lower towards rupees 53,990. Next, on stock section news in that Alien Electronic Mobiles says rupees 142 crore Viva anchor book ahead of IPO. Next, Radiant Cash Management Services IPO to open on December 23. Next, Singer India rises rupees 57 crore from IIFL. Other stock jumps 5%. Next, KFin Technologies IPO opens for subscription. 10K things to know. Next, Marathon Next Gen zooms after CDSL buys office space in its project. Next, sugar stocks get sweeter as center waits additional export quota. Next, KFin Technology IPO subscribe 55% on day one. Retail proportion booked to 26%. Next, Dilip Buildcon zooms after getting a flurry of orders. Analyst upbeat. Next, PTC India slumps as PSU look to sell stake down 10% in 3 days. Next, lower bookings, cautious demand outlook by Accenture spells more trouble for India IT companies. Next, on page number 20 in that startup section in that Sasa firm Facilo plans to increase workforce in India, bets big on energy saving segment. Next, employees shall not work against the interest of employers. Union Minister of Moonlighting. Next, India's tech policy should balance safety and trust with certainty and innovation. Sundar Pichai. Next, State View Temsek in talks to invest $50 to 60 million in smart fan maker Atomberg at a valuation of. Next, Google to focus on investing in women-led early-stage startups. Then we comes to the page number 21. In that opinion section, Apple's iPhone need a shake-up. A new law might help. Next, China's COVID reopening would be enough to save oil market. Next, Money Control Pro Panorama, the interest rate jigsaw, a high stake scheme. Next, year ender 2022, expect more clarity on economic puzzles in 2023. Next, mounting global price pressures threaten to trigger more rate hikes. Next, debt is the way forward for balanced fertilizer use. Next, SEBI opinion on net worth calculation has a cascading effect. Next, FIFA World Cup 2022 with win, Lionel Messi moves out of Diego Maradona's shadow. Next, how India's complicated capital gain tax regime can be simplified. Next, Indian economy is a sweet spot. This is why. Next, in the war for deposits, no one is winning yet. Next, investing in fixed income has turned red hot again. Then next on economic section on page number 22, in that rupee rises 6 paisa to close at 82.69 against US dollar. Next, year ender 2022 expected more clearly on economic puzzles 2022. Next, 2023. Next, West Bengal, Odisha yet to get center's node for interest-free loan from Capex poll. Next, budget 23, government must shift focus to lowering fiscal deficit to 3%, says former finance secretary Garg. Next, loan worth rupees 10 lakh 09,511 written off in last 5 financial years. Financial Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Next, budget 23 must focus on affordable and rental housing. Expert. Next, how India's complicated capital gain tax regime can be simplified. Then we comes to the page number 23, in that political section, in that LPG cylinder for rupees 500 in Rajasthan for BPL families from April 1st, Ashok Gehlot. Next, Congress leader ends debate on situation in Jammu and Kashmir in Lok Sabha. Next, Maharashtra winter session begins. Opposition condemns ban on MP Mane from visiting Belagavi. Amit. Next, Bedlam continues in Bihar Assembly over huge strategy on final day of session. Next, Maharashtra being misled over fake Twitter account issue amid border row with Karnataka Congress. Next, 2-day session of Gujarat Assembly to begin in Gandhinagar. Newly elected MLA to take oath. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.